ध्वजवाहक कुमारी आयशा हवालदार आणि फलकदारक कुमार अविनाश नाईक.
Unfurl the flag.
Government High Secondary Vaina.
March past Ben.
वाडेनगर उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय.
Our Lady of Besiru.
गोय पुलिसांचो दुसरो पंगड.
NCC cadets of MES College.
केशव स्मृती हायस्कुलाची भुरगीं.
With great joy in entire Goa, we are celebrating 60 years of our liberation. Even though 60 long years have passed, we still feel it is yesterday. The freshness that is there in the thoughts of all Goans, meaning having a good life, building good infrastructure, living well as citizens of this country, so well appreciated all over the world, known as good and friendly people. I first congratulate the people of Goa and my own Taluka, Murmugaon Taluka and the whole of Goa, because we have always lived up to our name as nice people, very friendly, reaching out to the guests, the tourists who come to our beautiful state, who sometimes outnumber our population. And in the very backdrop here, while we are commemorating our liberation 60 years as we celebrate, what a beautiful backdrop of lovely palm trees, the coconut palms, which is literally our, I should say, आमची ओळख गोंयकारांची सगळे कडेन माट दिसपाक आनी सुंदरता म्हणून आज हो परेड हांगा जाता. In the background you have our vintage cars. What does it show? How much we have moved. At one time, imagine 60 years back, these were the cars which were used. How many cars used to run ultimately in Goa? At the time of liberation, there was a number of only 9,000 vehicles on the road. Today we have 1.5 million on our roads, registered vehicles. Just look at the progress we have done. Look at the way we have grown. There are sometimes more than 4 vehicles, 2 vehicles, or 2 or 4 two-wheelers in every household literally in Goa. How much progress we have made. That's why from conclave to conclave, we are being praised, we are being feted. We get awards from India Today and other agencies as well as the best governed and small state, best performing state. And I was particularly happy recently. The condition of the poor people there is miserable. If you go to West Bengal, other than violence, nothing is being propagated. Even post-election, it is a matter of record that hundreds of people have been killed, so much so that they have been going elsewhere. One very important point I want to make in that direction. You must have seen on your social media several people coming and entering via the railway station. And when you ask them what have they said in various interviews, this is not what I am saying, it is a matter of record where videos have been filmed. मैं वोट करने के लिए आ गया, मेरा काम खाली वोट करने का है. And these are the people who brought violence. How do you know whether they are from across the border from Bangladesh who have infiltrated in West Bengal, who have a very big problem parking themselves in West Bengal, who are now being brought to Goa just because we Goans are tolerant? गोंयकारांक चिंतपाचो वेळ येयल्लो आसा. हे रोहिंग्याज आनी बाकीचे म्हणटा ते आमकां गोंयकारांक जाय. आमकां इलेक्शनां सोंपून दाखयता आमी हें करतले तें करतले ते दे हॅव नथींग टू लूज फाल्यां म्हणटले चंद्र हाडून दिता म्हणे जमनी धर्तीचेर आमी लुजर जातले दुसरो दिल्लीसून येवन सांगता कितें सांगता दिल्ली आपण सगळो बदल हाडला कसो बदल हाडपाक शकता हेल्थ आणि एज्युकेशन हे दोन्ही सब्जेक्ट त्यांच्या हातीन आसा जेन्ना पॅन्डेमिक येयले आणि इतले हजारांनी लोक मरताली संख्या वाडत आसली मरता तेन्ना पॅन्डेमिका लागून ओन्ली आमचो गृहमंत्री अमित शाह ही स्टेप टीम तेणे फुडाकार घेऊन 1 लाख बेड केले आणि त्यांना साधारण सगळे जाग्यार आयले लास्टाक तेकाय कोविड जाले ते लोकां पावता आणि हिंगा येऊन फटाश्यो लायता हे दितले ते दितले आमचे गोंयकारांक दिशाभूल करपाक सोदता आमी चतुर रावपाची चड गरज आसा हे येता फकत आपली पोळी बांदपाक हांगा गोंयान गोंयकारांचो काय मोग नाही तो गोंयकारांचो मोग केन्ना जालो इलेक्शनां अनाउन्स जाले म्हूण अणबी फुलता तशी पावसान आतां मोग जालो हे आमी सगळे गोंयकारांक चिंतपाची गरज आसा पळयात खऱ्या अर्थान प्रगती कोणे केला पळयात डबल इंजिन म्हणचे वयर केंद्रा कडेन सरकारा कडेन मदत मेळना जाल्यार आमी खंय पावतले ते आमी खंय पावपाना आमी आज बरे रस्त्यार मार्गार लागलेले आसा विकासाचे बाबतीन लोकां स्किम्यो दिता ते बाबतीन टुरिजमा बाबतीन आमी जे मुखार वचत आसा आमी खंय तरी कोसळटले गोंयकारान आमी कोसळपाक जायना हे तुमी चिंतपाची गरज आसा आनी हांव जाणा देव फटाश्यो कितल्योय मारल्यो म्हूण लोकां आमचे बरे संय आसा सगळे मिटिंगे वयतले
Here comes the platoon.
ध्वजवाहक कुमारी भूमिका जैन आणि फलकधारक कुमारी वैशाली गडद्वर